that thing out of the way.
Come on, you need to exercise more.
How's it going? Yeah, you ever heard of me? Well, the call has... Am I invisible?
I ain't backing down.
I'm down for...
Hey man, what you want?
Seeing my homie. What's up with you?
Yeah, homie. Yeah, it's good to see you back.
No homie love? No hug?
Oh, for sure, my nigga. My bad. What's cracking with you?
Hey, man, what you strapped for?
Man, some pizza place keeps paying over our hit up, man. Shit is beautiful. Teach the owner a lesson. The fucking Grove Street. You down?
I'm always down.
Shit. Let's go, bitch. Hey, show me how they drive on the East Coast, homie.
Ain't nobody can tell me when to hit the jump.
Hey, old Reed still run the barbershop?
Like a raggedy-ass motherfucker. He popped his membrane years ago. The way I let that old fool in my head.
Yeah, I think I'll get cut up.
Whatever. You got 5 minutes? I'll be cutting you like a DJ. So when you running off again?
I'm not. I'm thinking of staying.
Why?
My family, the homies is here.
We were always here, fool.
Yeah, but now I'm back, and I know what I've been missing.
Don't expect me to kiss your ass or nothing. You still a buster to me.
Yeah, okay. Thanks, homie.
Yeah, don't mention it.
It's gonna be easy, bitch.
Make yourself comfortable, son. Your moms used to choose your styles. Man, I'm good. Tell Big Smoke he needs a cut.
You know something? I take it back. Old Reese still got it cracking. Man, what's this? Shit look ridiculous. No respect for the hood. All clean as shit. You looking too skinny, CJ. I wanna get us something to eat. I'm gonna finish this, then I'm gonna take care of business. Move it, motherfucker!
You gonna hate this.
Playing with me?
What would you like, sir? Here you go, enjoy. Enjoy, sir. We're out of napkins. Have a well-stacked day. Enjoy your meal, sir.
Give up the money. This a raid.
Ryder, not this again.
It ain't me, fool.
No one else is that small. I feel sorry for your dad.
Shit, you crazy. Let's get up out of here.
Same old CJ. Buster. Straight Buster. Oh shit, run!
This pizza parlor's no pushover.
I warn you always.
What you waiting for, fool? Take us back to the Grove, motherfucker.
I got a rat.
Delay of game. Hop in, CJ. Better drop by and see Sweet. He's been yapping on about that graffiti, too. Later, homie.
Come on in, but don't get fresh.